Hey everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a meat sauce. So it's a really versatile. You can use it for Bolognese sauce, you can use it for lasagna. My mum has been making it forever. This is the only way she ever makes her sauce. And I'm going to share it with you. So come along for the ride and let's get started. So we're starting off with a medium large saucepan. So what I'm going to do is we're gonna cook everything together. So the first thing I've got is 1 tablespoon of light olive oil. I then have 500 grams of beef mince. Here I have 1 onion that I've sliced, three small bay leaves. If I had a big one, I would only use 1. I have some parsley and I have 2 cloves of garlic that I've very roughly chopped. So these are going to go in. And then I also have half a cup of peas. So this sauce is great for, now I'm making a bigger batch, some for Matt and I had to have tonight, and some that I'll put into the freezer. But this sauce is great. You can use it for lasagna, you can use it just as a basic pasta sauce. Yeah, it's very, very versatile. That's why I love it. My mum has been making this way, and that's why I make it this way. So we're going to get started. All you're going to do is we're going to put on our flame, and we're going to brown the meat. We're obviously going to cook the onions until they're translucent. We're going to get it beautifully nice and cooked through, and once we've done that, that's when we'll come back and add our pasta sauce.
Lord, we say it publicly that you are Lord, our God, our Savior. Make us and mold us into who you want us to be.
One thing that I did forget was a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to add that to my meat now. And you can adjust for seasoning at any point. Usually I like to do that at the end, but I'm just adding my salt now so that it can cook through with all of the meat. And you'll see here that we're almost ready. Not quite yet. I'm just waiting for the meat to brown up a little bit more and the onions to become a little bit more translucent. And then, alright, so what I'm going to add now is our tomato sauce. So today I've got 1 can of crushed tomatoes and 1 bottle of passata. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to allow this to come up to the boil. I'm going to allow the sauce to come to the boil, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow it to simmer for about an hour, between an hour and an hour and a half. I'm going to cover it up, and I'm just going to stir occasionally. So this is what our delicious meat sauce looks like. I'm going to freeze half of this for another time, and half of it we're going to use to make spinach and ricotta cannelloni. So the cannelloni will be spinach and ricotta, and then I'm going to use the meat sauce around the top of them. And so I hope you like this. I hope you make it. It's really tasty, really easy, really cheap and delicious. And yeah, I'll see you next time on Do It Frugal. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.